Hi everybody, Greg Luczak with Luczak Real Estate and Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage, bringing you a very exciting home listing tour. The property I'm at today is 9631 Stoneglen Drive. This is a beautiful property located in the Pine Creek area. Pine Creek's a fantastic neighborhood here on the north end of Briargate with easy access to the shops at Briargate, easy access to Memorial Hospital North, straight shot down to the freeway, and easy access to the North Powers corridor as well. So it's really great location in the center, and it's a beautiful neighborhood, meticulously maintained with fantastic community parks and great amenities. This property sits at nearly 3,200 square feet. You've got 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. You can see you've got beautiful curb appeal, including lush, really meticulously done landscaping, a beautiful front porch. You've got a 3-car garage, and you've just got really great curb appeal. The back of the house is a walkout basement. You've also got fantastic views of the Air Force Academy, as well as dead-on views of Pikes Peak from the back deck and your kitchen as well. So it's really beautifully done. You've got that main level deck that walks out. It gives you beautiful expansive views. And then you've got that lower level patio that provides a little bit more privacy that walks you out into that backyard. Again, you've got 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. This property is coming on the market at $459,900. So again, $459,900 is gonna be the price for this property, nearly 3,200 square feet. Beautiful property, 9631 Stoneglen Drive here in Pine Creek. Let's take a closer look. Now when you enter this home, you're immediately greeted by beautiful formal living room and formal dining room areas with expansive vaulted ceilings. You've got beautiful updated lighting and a really wide staircase that sort of is a prominent feature on the main level here. As you come in from the formal areas into the heart of the home, which is where I'm standing now, you've got a fantastic kitchen space open to an eat-in dining and open to that family room as well. The kitchen space has hardwood floors, beautiful large pantry area. You've got gas added to the property, so you've got a gas range, beautiful tile backsplash, upgraded cabinets, Corian countertops, and from that sink area, you've got beautiful dead-on views of Pikes Peak. Really fantastic place to kind of have do the dishes and sort of sit around there for sure. Eat-in dining area has these hardwood floors as well that walk out to that back deck, and everything is really nice and open to that family room, which features a tile-clad gas fireplace, beautiful mantle, some fantastic built-ins, ceiling fan, and just a really nice layout. This is really nice and open, where one room kind of feeds to the other. This is where you're going to be doing the majority of your living, and it's very comfortable. Another thing that's really important to note is you've got some really high-end windows that have been put in this property as well. So you've got some beautiful double pane vinyl windows that have been added to the entire back of the house. Really high-end windows. This was about a $15,000 window job that was added to the property as well. So really a lot of care has been put in here, and you see the materials in here as well to show it. As we go up that wide staircase upstairs, we've got 4 bedrooms on the upper level, 3 really good-sized secondary bedrooms. And then you've got a really expansive master. The master's got vaulted ceilings, beautiful views of Pikes Peak and the Air Force Academy from the master window, and you've got an open concept attached bathroom. This is a 5-piece bath with double vanity sinks. You've got a deep garden tub, you've got a separate shower, and the master also has a big walk-in closet as well. So again, the upper level with 4 bedrooms conveniently on the main level, including a really expansive, beautiful open master. As I mentioned earlier, the basement is a walkout basement, so you get a lot of great natural light down there as well. You've got a big rec room. You notice you've got some fantastic high-quality Berber carpet down there. And you've also got a 5th bedroom in the basement that has an attached bath, large walk-in closet, and that has a walkout as well. So if you want to set up a secondary patio to walk out from that 5th bedroom downstairs, very easy to do. It's a meticulously, beautifully cared property. With all my homes, it does come with a 14-month home warranty, transferable to the new buyer upon closing. So not only do you get a property that's been meticulously maintained, you get a beautiful floor plan that's nice and open and very large and expansive. You get that great 3-car garage, but you get the home warranty that kind of gives you that peace of mind as well. If you'd like more information about 9631 Stoneglen Drive, please visit my website, www.makespringshome.com. Or if you'd like a private tour of this beautiful home, please give me a call directly at 719-271-8888. Thanks so much.